Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Abaddon's Dreadmist Dragoon set for cheap in Dota. To do this, you first need to open your Dota 2 and then click on Armory and go to Abaddon and then search for Dreadmist Dragoon, which is right over here. As you can see, this set costs 302.07 INR, which is Indian currency. To buy this in cheap, you just have to click on this I button. Here are all the items included in this set. What you have to do to buy this in cheap is, you just click on this button right here and then buy all these items separately. For example, this sword will only cost you 21.21 INR. This will cost you 46.97, 10.69, 17.96 and 151.06, which would bring up your total around 249 rupees INR. So you're going to save 54 rupees just by buying these items separately. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!